Hello friends, today's topic is created doubly linked list. Struct node. This is node prototype. Node has three parts. One is previous part and second is value part and third is next part. This is previous part and this is value part and this is next part. Previous part has node type variables and value part is integer type variables and next is node type variables. Head. We use head a global variables in linked list. Board create list is a function. Extract node, other node, and temp. Temp is node type variables, and I and num is integer type variables. This is our linked list who create. Enter the value who want in the linked list. We enter the value n is 3 because we want 3 node in the linked list. Head equal to struct node malloc size of struct node means malloc allocate the size head. The size and head point the first node A- and the address of node allocate in head. There is 100 is allocated in head. D- if node is not created and then execute this part, data is not inserted in first node. If created, then execute this part. Let's node is created, then execute this part. Enter the value first node num. We enter the value of num is 6. Had previous equal to nulls means the previous pointer contain the value of head is null. There is null. And other point value equal to nums means other this head value equal to num means the head point the value part and 6 is inserted in this part. Head next equal to null means here head point the next part and null is allocated in this part means temp equal to head. The address of head is allocated in temp means temp point the first node and the address of head is allocated in temp. 4. We use for loop because we want to create other nodes and so I use the for loops. Other node struct node malloc size of struct node. This is our other node and other node and the size is allocate. Malloc allocate the size. If node is not created, then execute this line. The node is created, then execute this line. Enter the data of remaining nodes. The value of I is here 2. Enter the data remaining nodes. We enter the remaining nodes data is 6, 7. other node values equal to num means other node point the value part and 7 insert in this part. Other node point previous equal to temp. Other node previous this part and allocate temp. The address of temp is 100. 100 is allocated in this part. And other other node point next equal to null. Here other point the next part and null is allocate in this part. Temp next equal to other node means temp this and temp point the next part this null is removed and the address of other node is allocated in this part. 200 temp equal to temp next means temp point to the next part is 200. 200 is contain the address of other nodes. Then 200 point the this node and 100 point the this node previous node and uh, there is two links created and both nodes are connected with each other and temp equal to temp next means temp point the next part and next part contain the address of other node. Then temp point the other nodes and this link is removed. Let's loop execute again. The value of I is 3 and condition is true, then loop execute. Other node struct node malloc struct size of node. Malloc allocate the size of for this node. N- Data not data node not insert in first node. If node is not created, then data I cannot insert in the data in this node. Enter the data for remaining nodes. We enter the value of num is 8. Then other node point the value part and equal to nums. This is value part and 8 insert in this part. Other node previous equal to temp. Other node point the previous part and the address of temp is allocated in this node. Temp point the previous point. The previous point address is 200. 200 is allocated in this node. Other node next equal to null. Other node point the next and there is null is allocated here. Temp next equal to other node. Temp next temp point the next part and equal to other node. The address of other node is allocated in temp next. Means this is removed and here allocate the address of other nodes. The address of other node is 300 and let's see 300 point the next node and 200 point the previous node. Then our linked list has insert three parts. Temp equal to temp next means temp point the 300 and here is remove the address of 300 is this temp point the this node and this link is removed. in our linked list has 3 node is inserted successfully. There is a display function. We want display this node, so we create a display function struct node temp. This is node is variable. Temp is node type variables. Head equal to null means if head is null, then execute this line. The node is not display. If node has not null, then execute this line. Temp equal to head means the address of head is allocated in temp means this link is removed. And the address of head is allocated in this node. Temp on the this node. While temp not equal to null. If condition is true, then execute this part. If true, and then loop is terminated. The condition is true because temp where the value of temp is 100, not null. Then execute this part. Temp value means the value part of temp is display. Here is 6 is 6 is display. Temp equal to temp next means temp point the next. This is next 200. 200 point the next node. Then this link is removed and temp point the next node. While temp not equal to null, condition is true. Then loop execute. Temp point value part. The value part is 7. The 7 is display. Temp equal to temp next means temp point the 300 and 300 point the next node. Then temp on the next node and the address of temp is 300. And let's temp not equal to null mean the value of temp point the 300 not equal to null. Condition is true. Temp value means the value part of temp is display. The value part of temp is 8. 8 is display. And temp equal to temp next. Temp next point the null. This is null and this point the null point. This is null point the null. And condition is condition check. While temp not equal to null, condition is true. Then loop we execute and we move in main function. Create linked list. We call the create linked list function and after display this function. Let's execute this program. We enter in 3 nodes. First is 6, 7, 8 and this is display. We execute this again. We enter 5 nodes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. The loop, the program is executed and in our linked list 5 node inserted successfully. Thank you so much. I give the link of this program in previous video. I give the link of this program in description of box.